Go to Admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click Add/Remove Referral Centers. To add a new referral center, click New. Type in the name of the referral center. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete referral centers, click A to list all referral centers, or type in the first few characters of the referral center. The referral center is listed here. If you need to edit or delete this, select the referral center in this drop-down list. Edit accordingly and click Edit to save, or Del to delete. Close this box by clicking this close icon. To add preferred specialists, click Preferred Specialists. To add a new preferred specialist, click Add. Type in the name of the specialist. Type in the specialty. Referral center must be selected from the list of referral centers we saved earlier. Type in the first few characters of the required referral center's name. Select the referral center from the list. Click Add to save. To check, edit or delete preferred specialist, click A to list all, or type in the first few characters. Select the preferred specialist from this list. Edit accordingly and click Edit to save, or Del to delete. Let's see how to use the referral center and preferred specialist in creating referrals. In the patient page, click Referral/Memo. Click Add to add a new letter. Type in the first few characters of the preferred specialist name. Select the preferred specialist from the drop-down list. The referral center will be automatically filled up. Referral centers can also be listed by clicking this icon, and can be selected from this drop-down list. Click this icon to enter the details automatically, as saved under History/Examination, Investigations, and Treatment. That's it. You're done.